Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox one of my Grail watches and review to you my other two Grail watches that I've yet to pull the trigger, and also talk a little bit about how you can help with the less fortunate with this video. Christmas came early this year, and I had the opportunity to pull the trigger on one of my Grail watches that I've longed for. I know what you're saying, it's a Zenith, and it's not a limited edition watch, so it should be fairly easy to get one of these on retail, right? The thing is, I only have a limited budget and I can't afford to get one off retail. Hence, the smart buying move here is to wait for a pre-owned to come by. After more than a year of waiting, one finally did. What you see here is the Zenith box, and in it is the manual, the quick step guide, and the warranty card. Zenith makes pretty good watches, and it's a shame that they ain't that much love out there for them that they deserve. What's also a shame is this case here. The watch is a 2019 watch, but the case here is already in such condition. Zenith, I know you can do better than this. So here comes the opening of the curtain. It's the Zenith El Primero reference number 03215040069C713. What a mouthful. This here is the original 1969 case with 38mm diameter. I've always wanted to own this baby as it has a lot of history behind it. I'm sure you've heard stories about Zenith's race to creating the first chronograph with this watch, and the story of the secret chamber room in the attic where these dials were hidden and discovered. Apart from the small cuff it has on one of the lugs, the watch has no scratches at all. It looks absolutely brand new. I love it in this brown leather strap. It makes it look very dressy and classy. I particularly love the combination of the colors on this dial. The lighter base color makes the watch look slightly bigger and vividly brings out the other colors on the sub-dial and that red hand. Oh, that red hand. This just reminds me of Christmas. It's just perfect. I'll definitely do a full review of this watch once I have some wrist time with it. Before I reveal to you the other two Grail watches that I long for, let me say a few things about how you can help the less fortunate with this video. The year 2020 has not been easy for most of us. Some may thrive under such condition, but to some, it's a matter of sustainability, survival, and struggle. Since it's December, I thought it would be a perfect opportunity for us to all demonstrate our human spirit by giving to the less fortunate. Don't worry, you don't have to sweat a muscle. All you have to do is to like and share this video. Yes, the one you are currently watching. For good measure, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Anyway, in the next 14 days, we will see how many likes this video receives. For every like this video receives, I'll contribute 1 ringgit to one of the 4 charitable organizations of my choice that I've shortlisted here in Malaysia, either in cash or cash value of essential items. I might even consider giving more than one charitable organization here, depending on how many likes are they. Of course, there will be an amount cap here, which is dependent on my work bonus I'll get this year. But please, don't let that stop you from liking this video. The cutoff period would fall on 15 December 2020 at 12 AM. I will definitely do a follow-up video after the 15 December 2020 to show you the efforts that we've achieved and which charitable organization that you've helped support. I would like to put a caveat out there. I'm not endorsing or affiliated with any of these charitable organizations. I just see a need and want to meet it. I've never done something like this before, i.e. leaving the fate of my wallet to viewers like you. Am I scared? Definitely. Jokes aside, I think it is essential to help others, and I can't think of a better way than to do it with you guys. It is after all Christmas, so let's spread the joy of giving by hitting that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends, family, dogs and cats. Don't do it for me, do it for them. Now about my two other Grail watches, I've always had the idea that if I were to ever have a 3-piece collection, not only must there be a dress and sport watch option, there must also be a chronograph in there, a diver and a GMT. So you've seen my chronograph earlier. For the diver, I will have to go with the 116622 Rolex Yardmaster with a rhodium dial. I mean, this watch was meant to replace the Rolex Submariner and is supposed to be in every way better than the Submariner. Though it's called the Yardmaster, I will still regard it as a diver. With its price constantly going up, I don't know if I'll ever attain one. My last Grail watch would be the Omega Seamaster Aquaterra World Timer, the one with the blue strap. Instead of a GMT that tells 1 or 2 additional time zone, might as well go all the way with all the time zones, right? For this watch, I think the smart buying move would be for me to just wait and see if a pre-owned one happens to waltz along. If you are selling, you know what to do. 3 different sizes, 38mm, 40mm and 43mm. Check. 3 different complications, chronograph, diver and GMT. Check. A dress and sport watch option. Check. 3 different color bracelet and strap. A brown leather strap, a steel bracelet and a blue rubber strap. Check. So there you go. These are my 3 Grail options. What do you think of my choices? Should I consider other watches instead? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, which you should have already if you haven't. Comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to upload more videos like this. Please check out my Instagram page as well, which the link is at the description below. Until the next one, thank you for watching.